Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's actually real. This one's about the strangest thing ever found in someone's yard. Stick around because you won't believe how this one unfolded. Let's get into it. Imagine you're just going about your day, maybe enjoying some quiet time in your backyard, and you look down to see a strange piece of metal poking through the dirt. At first, you think it might be a rock, or maybe some discarded junk. But no, it's something way more bizarre. This actually happened to a man in California, and what he found wasn't just any piece of metal. It looked like it had fallen from the sky. Curious, he dug it out and discovered it was a chunk of space debris, something that had re-entered Earth's atmosphere from space. Turns out, it was part of an old satellite that had been in orbit for decades. In fact, this particular piece came from a satellite that had been launched by NASA way back in the 1970s. When objects re-enter Earth's atmosphere, they don't always burn up completely. And this piece, which was made of heavy metal, survived the fiery descent and crashed right into someone's backyard. The whole thing just raises so many questions, like how many other pieces of satellites or rockets might be scattered across the planet, hidden in the dirt or deep underwater. NASA confirmed that this piece of debris came from a satellite called Nimbus 4, which was launched to study Earth's atmosphere. The satellite had long since completed its mission, but its leftover parts were still orbiting around Earth for years, and eventually they fell back to the surface. One of those pieces just happened to land right in this guy's backyard. And the really wild part? This is not as rare as it sounds. In fact, hundreds of pieces of space debris are constantly falling back to Earth from space every year. Most of them burn up completely before they even reach the ground. But when they do make it through, they're typically small pieces. But once in a while, you get a discovery like this, a chunk of human-made history falling straight from the heavens. So, the next time you're out in your yard, just remember, there could be a little piece of space history buried right beneath your feet. So, what do you think? If you found space debris in your backyard, would you freak out or just be amazed? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more weird, out-of-this-world facts. Who knows? Maybe you'll find your own piece of the cosmos one day. Goodbye!